Hi, I'm Pegg and welcome to Pegg Smokehouse. A lot of you would have seen some recipes getting around there that requires breakfast sausage. But here in Australia, we just cannot get breakfast sausage. So I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy recipe to make some delicious breakfast sausage.
Here are the 5 spices you need for breakfast sausage: chili flakes, pepper, salt, sage, and brown sugar.
Now that we've got our spices in the bowl, I'm just going to whisk these all together so we can put it through our pork mince quite evenly. Now that we've got all our spices whisked together, I'm going to add 500 grams of pork mince. And the best way to mix this together is just using your hands. So we're just going to get in there and mix it. Now that we've got all our pork sausage mixed together, you may have your own ideas in what you would like to use your pork sausage in with your recipe. Us personally, we fry it up and use it in our turkey stuffing, which you can see on a video. We make some nice patties and some sausage and egg muffins. Also, we make a biscuits and gravy, which you can also see in another video, or using pork sausage. As you can see, with our pork sausage, we have made a sausage and egg muffin. And look at that, McDonald's, eat your heart out. So if you wanted to make patties, you can make your patties, you can freeze them raw or you can freeze them cooked. So you can just pull them straight out of the freezer and they're ready to go. So with a few spices, you've got nice pork sausage. Anyway, I'm going to take a bite of this because it is just too delicious. That's delicious. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Pegg Smokehouse. And remember, if you're looking, you're not cooking.